guys, so in today's video, this is an intro after we made the video, and we're gonna go to the creek and catch hecka fish, catch some chunkers, you know, with that belly. We use worms, and the perch are back. Yay!
Guys, oh my god, I just caught this, so I'm gonna start recording. The fishing season is back. I'm scared to unhook this though.
Yeah, what is, like...
Oh, the recording just did that thing. Okay guys, it's back. Yeah, I just caught this. We need to unhook it. Dude, this is... I don't know what this is.
It's like a creature, but it has like a fat...
I don't have...
I'm actually confused on what that is.
Okay, finally the recording isn't doing that thing. That's so annoying. When it's...
Guys, worms are the way to go.
Yep. Oh my god.
Especially
I just had something tugging. It might have been that thing again, because it was a big fight. Oh my god.
We've had that happen
Yeah.
3 times.
That happens with the small perch. Oh my god, they don't get hooked.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make the hook more visible. There. Okay, the whole hook is out.
Spin your net.
Okay, guys. Adam just caught a pretty fat perch.
Yeah, he had a snack.
Probably
definitely.
like maybe a bit less than a quarter pounder. Probably like, I don't know, but for a perch that's big.
Well, see ya later. Bye.
So guys, I'll just film whenever we catch one now.
Look at this belly. Get a close up of this belly, bro. Look at that belly.
Yeah, that is fat. He just ate something. So you'll see you at the next catch, guys.
This is fat, but that's
Yeah.
a long one.
That's a decent perch right there, guys. Easy. Okay, we're gonna unhook this guy, put him back. Okay, guys, another catch today.
He's a bit dirty. He needs a shower, so let's give him one.
Nice, man. Guys,
We got Jeremiah
double whammy.
and his kid.
Yep, double whammy. Nice double whammy, guys.